Hi guys, welcome back to Helly's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making banana bread. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also follow me on Facebook at Helly's Kitchen. The ingredients we need are all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, baking powder, butter, eggs, banana, sugar, salt, and baking soda. I have in a bowl 2 cups of flour. I just added 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, and I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and mix well. In another bowl, peel the ripe bananas. Use a fork to match the bananas. Okay guys, just use this time and hit the subscribe button and also the notification button. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, add 3 tablespoons of butter, add 2 large eggs, continue to mix. When I finish mixing, I'm going to be adding the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. I will show you in a minute. Add the banana mix to the flour and mix. As you can see, I didn't add all at once. You add it a bit at a time and mix. I want to use this time to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much for the support you've been giving me since I started this journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best anyone can ask for. Thank you once again. going to use a hand mixer here. You can continue using the wicks, but it's going to take longer. Grease the baking pan with butter. Sprinkle some flour on the bottom of the pan. Pour your butter into the pan, making sure it's only about 3/4 full. I had some butter left. I'm going to put it in a cupcake cups and bake as well. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and it should bake for about 45 to 60 minutes. This is how the cupcakes look like, guys. And this is the main deal. Looks good, really, really good. Let it cool down and then you can go ahead and cut it. Oh my, who wants a slice? Ooh, so good with coffee. Thank you very much for watching that video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Even if you didn't like it, still like, comment, share, and subscribe because I'm sure you will like the next video.